Hello guys and welcome back into new brand video. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to reduce abundant checkouts in Shopify. So make sure to watch the video to the end and follow these simple steps. So basically, there are some tips that you can try to use to reduce the abundant carts or checkouts in your Shopify store. So this is a Shopify blog that you can try to use for our cause. So basically here, as you can see, there is the abundant cards emails that can uh, interact with customers so they can be reminded of the cards that they have abandoned. And basically this is a Shopify app that you can try to use. So you can go here to apps and search for Klaviyo, and as you can see, this is an email marketing and SMS or mailing app that you can integrate with your store. And basically, when a customer with forgets their checkouts or cards, you can remind them. And basically, you can also start in to add in a rewards program or using live chats with your customers. And for that, you can add Shopify inbox. And from here, we can search for inbox for Shopify, and that's it. You can add it in your store so you can start interacting with your customers and remind them of their cards, etc. Or you can offer many option of payments by going, for example, to the settings and go to payments and add many payments providers that you can start including into your store, so it can motivate the other people to choose any payments method that suits them, so it will motivate them to check out and buy from your store. Also, you can simplify the checkout page and reduce the complexities of the form, registration form, or any other informations. Only keep the important information and make it simple and motivating to pay. So basically, those are some tips that you can try. Thank you for watching and see you next time.